Hello, I'm Manish Dutt. I'm a freelance trainer based out of India, focusing primarily on the subjects of mind maps and project management. A mind map is a simple but powerful thinking tool which can be used in a variety of situations such as for brainstorming, visioning, strategy development, etc. In this short video, I share how mind maps can be used to organize content. Let's first of all understand the need for organizing content or information. It is easy to see that anyone who is interested in one's intellectual growth does it either through learning or creating. The new things we learn help us to create, and in the process of creating, we learn more, and so goes the circle. However, for both learning and creating, we need to organize information either to simplify complex information or to aggregate known information in a way to create something new. So, organizing information is important, but the word organizing conjures in many people's mind something to do with linearity or putting something in order or neat ordering. Whereas inside our brain, the network of neurons have a radiant structure like a mind map, and which is also the way our brain thinks, that is in a non-linear or a radiant manner. Thus, we need a tool which can mirror this radiant functioning of the brain to organize our thoughts and information better. This is exactly the need being addressed by a mind map, allowing our brain to engage better with the subject on hand. A mind map with its radiant structure, multiple colors and images helps our brain operate the way it was originally designed. Thus, a mind map should be our first tool of choice for organizing information, whether for learning or creating. The mind map shown here captures the different areas in which mind maps can be applied to enhance an organization's effectiveness. I now share a real life example of how mind maps helped me in writing my first book, Mind Maps for Effective Project Management. I could successfully complete the book thanks to the 4 different levels at which mind maps helped me clarify my objective and organize content. In the next 4 slides, I explain how. To start with, even before I wrote the first word for my book, I created a mind map answering some of the fundamental questions around the book. The why, what, when, where, who, and how. This helped immensely in clarifying my objectives along with the scope of the book, and gave me the much needed confidence to move ahead with my idea of putting mind maps to systematic use in managing projects better. Once the big picture was clear, I spent some time to plan and organize the top level structure of the book. Thus, this mind map gave me a helicopter view of the book flow by clarifying top level content for each chapter. This not only made the book structure more clear, but also helped me to see the finish line of the project better. Once the top level content was finalized, I started creating mind maps for my individual chapters. The first main branch would capture the key message of the chapter, followed by the top level content or structure of the chapter. The remaining branches would then elaborate on the content identified, and I found this format to work very well for me for all the chapters. Finally, inside each of the chapter, I designed mind map templates corresponding to various situations along a project life cycle. As an example, at project initiation, the above template can be used to build a landscape of all the benefits that a project may provide, and this can be a wonderful tool to keep the team motivated by giving them the big picture of the impact their efforts would have. Anybody buying the book gets free access to the 40 mind mapping PM templates included in the book. So, to summarize, intellectual growth is achieved through learning and creating. As leaders, we should not only be lifelong learners but also lifelong creators. Both learning and creation demands dealing with and organizing information. In contrast to the linear way of organizing content, we need a radiant or a non-linear approach, and this is where mind maps come to our rescue. So do experiment with mind maps to organize your content and watch your learning and creation become better. Thanks for your time for viewing this presentation. For more articles on mind maps, you could visit the blog section of my website enlightenconsultancy.com or read sample pages of my book Mind Maps for Effective Project Management at the link shown. Thank you.